QuantumScape, haven't heard that name in a long time, Jenny Horne. What's going on? I see nothing's changed much. It had an intraday swing of like $3 on a $10 stock.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I will give you a reason to make the stock more important to your watch list here, okay? Because they did report adjusted losses that were worse than the street had been expecting. They lost about 26. Okay, this is not starting well, but the case builds here. They lost 26 cents per share. This was worse than the street had been expecting on no sales. So that's clearly not what's driving the shares higher today, right? We did see the company still in their pre-sale phase. They're working on these solid-state EV batteries. Solid-state in this instance does refer to a solid electrolyte, which is the part of the battery that does facilitate this flow of electric current. So solid-state batteries are thought of as the next generation of technology that does promise longer ranges, lower costs, better safety, and faster charging. All of those are good things. This technology, though, has not been yet proven commercially. So that's, I guess, the biggest hitch here. Investors, though, are focused on other things when it comes to QuantumScape. In the second quarter update, the company did announce they're working with a prospective launch customer in the automotive space for their first commercial product. Now, the street does project this company will actually generate revenue for the first time in its first quarter of 2025. Truist, though, today did give remarks regarding this, saying they think actually the company appears to be at least on track with this timeline, proved in this last quarter, if not slightly ahead of their timeline. He said the company has been gaining some significant momentum. He does still rate shares at a hold with a $10 price target, which is actually below where we're currently trading. So to put in perspective, they do think that they'll be able to hit this target, but that's not until 2025. So there is a bit of a holding pattern right now. But along with this EV commercialization, QuantumScape did reiterate the fact that it's working now on this stationary energy storage application. So battery storage can be paired with solar and wind power to make some of these power generated assets more reliable, like Tesla does sell some of these utility scale storage products. Storage, though, is another huge market for QuantumScape. The EV launch pattern is the main reason I believe shares were higher today. So if you follow the EV world, you know that this is actually really cool, really revolutionary technology. It's just sort of speculative at this point. What does this mean when it goes commercial? Because it's not commercial yet. So while I do think this is a really interesting story, it's more of like a wait and see type situation, less of like the technology is here right now, we can buy into it right this moment.
Well, that's where it does kind of seem like the speculative side comes in, because the infrastructure right now is basically being agreed upon and built out and getting multiple different vehicle producers to operate on kind of the same baseline assumptions and standards. So, I mean, you know, we're kind of in the early stages of standardizing, but it feels like, well, this company's tech, you know, the sooner you can get out there, the better. To be, you know, kind of established and integrated into the EV infrastructure. So, all right, sounds like there still is a lot to fall into place for this company. They're not even close fundamentally, profit-wise, but market doesn't care about that so much. I get that. Thanks, Jenny. Appreciate it.